Guys, this might be one of the last opportunities I have to take a video of this truck for you guys. I know a lot of you have followed this truck from infancy, but if you haven't, or you haven't seen any of the videos, make sure to watch this one. This is going to be a pretty detailed, thorough video, recapping some things you guys may or may not already know about this truck. So this is an 88 crew cab, long bed, square body, big block, 1 ton, 3+3. Now when this truck was done, it was fully disassembled. And when I say in the videos that the bottom side is as clean as the top side, look at the floor of this truck. Just finished rinsing all the dust off of it. And she is looking good. 12 inches of lift, 40-inch tires, 16 wide wheels, Fox shocks. I don't know that we've ever been under the hood of this truck, but we'll get there in just a second. Davis off-road, power steps, the complete hideaway version, crossover steering, Davis off-road track bar system, dual steering stabilizers, and the interior of this truck we went with completely OE factory restoration characteristic. Factory style seat finish, carpet, colors, the premium style door panels. Every gauge works on the dash. I'll go ahead and fire it up so y'all can hear it run. Disc brake conversion on the 14 bolt. Grease fittings on the shackles. You see the disc brakes over there. Rear mounted fuel tank system with custom bracket. Coming around here. Nice little hidden filler door. Pretty cool. Bed cover, spray and bed liner. I was even showing the customer, look at all the detail, even the little bumpers, all the hardware, everything replaced. So let's pop the hood. AC is ice cold on this truck. We'll take it for a drive in just a second and I'll show you guys on the thermostat. Everything down to the hood felt. Dual coolers mounted right here behind the grill. Color match touch right here is nice.